In the peaceful coastal town of Merobe, the sea sang soft lullabies, and seagulls danced freely in the sky. Every morning, Lila sat by the boardwalk, quietly sketching the faces of strangers. Lila wasn't searching for love. In fact, she tried to avoid it. Her parents' painful divorce had taught her that forever promises do not always last. But one day, everything changed. A boy with sand colored hair sat across from her. Mind if I sit? He asked her gently. His name was Orion. He smelled like ocean air and old books. They began meeting every day. He brought her pieces of sea glass. She gave him her sketches. He told her stories about stars. One morning, Lila found a note inside her sketchbook. When the moon is full, meet me where the tide turns. Her heart skipped a beat. That night, under the glowing moon, Lila found Orion waiting by the rocks. He pointed at the stars and spoke softly. Lila didn't speak. She reached for his hand. Their fingers touched, warm and electric. But summer didn't last forever. At the train station, they stood in silence, holding hands tightly, filled with emotion. I don't want this to end, Orion whispered. But let it, she said with hope. They began writing letters. Their words became a bridge across distance. But life brought many distractions. Slowly their connection began to fade. Lila stopped checking the mailbox. Her drawings lost their spark. One rainy afternoon, she found a letter. It brought back a forgotten memory. She returned at first light. The beach was covered in soft fog. There he stood, holding sea glass. You came back, he said with a gentle smile. Time had passed, leaving behind quiet memories and something still deeply meaningful. Lila began sketching again. Orion watched her in peaceful silence. They spoke about the present and shared simple moments of joy. Love is not about holding tight, it is about making a choice every day. She felt the warmth of his hand and the calmness of the endless ocean. The rising sun painted the sky. Love returned as a steady flame. They stood side by side, two hearts still strong and brave. In the sand, two sets of footprints led toward a shared future. If you love the story, you can own the book and read it anytime. It's available on Amazon. Link in the description. Bye.